Hey, Amanda here, and today I'm sharing 2 easy ways on how you can attach styrofoam cakes together without needing to use glue. For stress-free cake tutorials and advice, be sure to click subscribe and hit that bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. Also, if you want to see some behind-the-scenes tips that I don't share anywhere else, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Bakecause. So the first way to apply your styrofoam cakes together is to use duct tape. Just apply at least 3 strips of duct tape to the bottom styrofoam piece, and then attach the top styrofoam tier as centered as possible. I always find that it's easier to apply tape to the bottom tier instead of applying it to the top. Not sure why, but I just prefer this method better. The second way is to use wooden dowels, or in this case, wooden chopsticks. Just make a hole into the center of the bottom tier as well as the top tier. Then you'll insert the dowel into the bottom styrofoam tier and then attach the top. So those were 2 easy ways on attaching styrofoam cakes together. Let me know in the comments below which method you prefer. If you liked this video, be sure to hit like, click subscribe, and check out my other tutorials listed below.